You're not happy.
Wagiye guhaha mugenera ngukeneye.
Uzankenera ngiye guhaha. Nese tuzarya iki?
None se tuzarya iki ariko wari ubizi ko ngukeneye, so you have to be there for me.
Okay. Ngira icyo ushaka. Ngira icyo ushaka icyo nkora.
I want you.
You want me to do? You want me?
Yeah.
Nicyo ushaka. How do you want me?
You know what I mean.
What?
Yeah. You know what I mean because you know me.
But we are not together.
So
I can't do anything. I know you want me, but I can't do anything if we're not together.
what do you mean? Anything can happen because you're a man. Yeah.
Then we have to turn off the camera.
Turn off?
Yeah. If you want me and you want me to be creative, then we have to turn off the camera. Want is a very big word. You can't want me, or you can't want me in front of 300 people, almost 400.
Did I care? I don't care about people. I care about you. I don't know what you're saying.
No, the comments. The comments are funny.
What was it?
In my comments? In my comments?
Yeah.
No, nimbi somura uraza gufuha.
No. And you know that not gonna fool. Cause I know you're mine.
You know I'm yours.
Yeah, of course.
So you know someone called do you know a girl called Muchomant?
Muchomant, no.
You don't know Muchomant?
No.
Yeah, it's Muchomant writing, or someone called Eva ngo barimo barabatwara umugabo. That was the comment that made me laugh anyways.
Yeah, look, nyine bitumye nawe useka kubera ko they talking nonsense. Yeah. What?
Nothing.
Okay. So how are you?
I'm good.
I'm going to embarrass.
Ego kumana yanjye. Ubeshaka imbabazi for real.
Of course. Someone at a comment ngo Sara ugira imitima ingahe se ko nanjye umbwira ko unkunda. I have one heart and my heart belongs to this man. So rero so nagusaba kunsaba imbabazi.
Of course, Sheri, ndagusaba imbabazi.
Okay.
I am very, very sorry. Okay. I came on live and all of a sudden, abruptly, I didn't know, njya kubona cyago the father kiba kiranyohereje request, okay? and it's been a while since dukinye za game na Godfather, so I had to accept
I hope you don't compare me with that guy.
No. That guy is very cheap.
Okay. Thank you.
He's a very cheap guy. Like, nta ushobora comparing n'umugabo nk'uriya. Oh my God. Look at you. Look at you, baby.
Nawe ndakubabariye.
Ariko sheri uzi ko abantu batakuzi. They don't even know you.
They don't.
I like the fact
and I'm happy for that because ubundi ukwiye kumenya ni wowe. Abandi bose
sibyo.
They are cheap like that guy.
They're cheap like the Godfather guy.
No. I said that guy, not.
No, yeah, I'm gonna say, he's cheap.
Sorry?
I'm saying quite cheap.
Yeah.
Ariko uzi ko umusatsi wawe like urenze, ndimo ndabibonera hano ko umusatsi wawe urenze.
Because of you. Yeah. And do you know that?
I know.
Some people bakunda kumbaza ngo wahise neza, wambara neza, ugaragara neza. Ubwiza nabukuye kuri mama na papa na nyogokuru, ariko gusa neza mbikura hano.
Gusa neza ubukura hano?
Yeah.
Okay. Sheri.
Karan. Someone wants to call Pasha?
Someone wants to call Pasha?
Yeah.
No, let Pasha. Let the sleeping dogs lie. Let the sleeping dogs lie.
Yes, baby.
Baby, nimo ndabona abakobwa hano barimo baravuga utuntu twinshi n'iki muri comment section zanje, but ndashaka ko I adore you. Someone comment noza ije hano, noza ari account yinje hano irimo iravuga ngo I adore you, noneho ndayisoma. Like ni account yitwa ngo I adore you.
Oh.
Mise nyisoma ngo I adore you.
That's fine.
Kandi iyo nibyo ngukorera ibi iyo account nibyo ngukorera. I do adore you.
I love you.
Siko bivuga bikanyinjira. Siko bivuga bikamfata. Mitemye bimfasha ku kanya. Hari umuntu ambwira love nkahita nyireba nkayishigikanyaho. Ukayivuga ikaza ikangera hano imbere nkayireba, I'm like, what the fuck, this is not the love, this is not it. Nukuri. But you yivuze wowe like iritize kanyinjira. I feel it.
Because you love each other.
Yeah, because I love you too.
Kamata bizu.
Kamata bizu, nawe kamata bizu shami.
Anyway, I was missing you.
I missed you too. Erega ejo narakubuze uri mu Kagera.
Babe, don't. Ntabwo abantu bose bagomba kumenya ahantu narindi.
done. Byarangiye. But I thought umuntu. Okay, whatever. I'm sorry.
It's okay, baby.
Yeah, ariko sha uranyara imbabazi zawe ziranyaruka ntabwo zimeze nk'izanjye. Abandi like time ifu. Ngo yapfungo simbuka bro. Sheri. People are hesitating. Ntabwo barimo baremera. Barahesitating barimo baravuga ngo ufite isura ngo ariko hasi ngo nta kigenda.
Who said that?
Bari hano muri comment section yanjye bavuga ngo isura ngo abona abisura gusa ngo nta nyashi bagira ngo naki. I can say.
Reka mbacire umugani abantu bari iwawe.
Ngo natwereke nyanshi.
Umukecuru yasetse undi. Oh no, aho ngaho naba ngiye kwishyira ahantu habi. Kandi ndi umuntu, reka ndeke kwishyira. Ngo utwo light skin ntibivamo.
Ngo utwo light skin ni iki?
Haters. Abanyeseri nibo bavuga ibyo ngibyo Sheri. Don't mind them. Okay.
ngo wibuke kuri mugufi ngo aragusumba.
Who cares? We know that.
Ako nanjye icyo kibazo ndakigira. Ikibazo cyo kuba nsumba nanjye njye nkigira ariko nyine I don't care. I'm a man. Sibyo. Ni iki ko bimeze nkaho bikubabaje kandi ari wowe?
Uzi inshuro umbwira ko ukunda my height.
Yeah, of course. Njye nawe nkunda. I have never dated somebody like atansumba. Ntabwo ndi mugufi basi ndi muremure ariko abakobwa nkunda bagomba kuba bande like bansumba. Ntabwo nshaka kubyara utwana tugufi.
Wa muntu warumbwiye ngo light skin ntibivamo and arisubiye aravuga ngo ariko Ddumba yaba ari good choice kabisa. Thank you so much.
Ngurata muzakine na
movie. I know what I choose. Look at this man.
Sibyo? Ngo look at this man.
Look at this man. Okay.
Sibyo? Look at this man.
No, ntabwo arimo kubyemera kubera ko I think ari bwo bwa mbere batubonye turi kumwe.
Ni bwa mbere batubonye. Ya, nabitanze. Asheri.
Oui.
Haguruka bakurebe. Ndarushe. Haguruka bakurebe.
Baby, know me.
No, I want them to see you.
Nambaye akantu kagufi kandi ntabwo nshaka abandi bagabo bambona.
It doesn't matter. Bakurebe.
Baby, stop.
Yes. Eka bakurebe. Babushari bari hano bose bameze gutya ngo basimwa bakurebe.
Baby, don't.
I swear, I want them to see you. Let the people know.
As long as my baby say so.
Let the people know what I got.
But I feel shy.
Eva wamushize ibya Eva turabivuga nyuma. Sara Ddumba umubwire ko uri umukobwa. Show us what your mama gave you. I love the comment. Go show us what your mama gave you.
Oh God, why are you guys being like this? Okay, kamanure basi kabutura.
Umanura
Oh
kabutura.
Jesus.
Noneho njyewe I don't care. Ni ugupfa kuba ibyo hagati bitagaragara.
Why are you being... Okay. They wanna see me?
That's my baby. Baby, urimo uranyaruka.
No.
But it's okay. Gahoro, turn around, Gahoro, Shiri. Turn around, Gahoro. Let the people know. Kubadida. Busharari. Kubadida. We bushari kubadida. Hari ikintu mukimbaza, ladies and
So
gentlemen.
you see what my mama gave to me. Hano uciye impaka.
Ladies and gentlemen, no kudukora. That's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen.
Ngo mbonye ibyiso bifite irari.
Ngo ijisho rifite irari.
Ariko n'ubundi se, as long as he loves me, agomba no kungirira irari.
Of course, baby. Deke nta kindi kintu mva wowe. I choose you and I choose you and I choose you and I choose you.
Thank you, babe.
Banyarwandakazi muri hano rero mutureba, uyu mwana wanjye uretse kuba ari mwiza nko kumubona gutya, ni umuntu nyubaha. None icyo ngukundira sheri wanjye, bwaye narabuze umukunzi unyubaha nko kunyubaha. Mbega baraza bari benshi, but you're different.
Thank you, baby.
Ngo arabeje.
Hari umuntu umbwiye ngo babazwe nuko urimo kumbeshya love. Bikubabaze kuko njye nta kibazo. Niyo yambabaza as long as mukunda njyewe, I'm okay with it.
Hari abantu baravuga hano muri comment yanjye ngo
And mind your business. What?
abantu barambwira muri munozanye ngo dongo hano harimo harabura ibibizo. Oya. Egereza umunwa wanjye nanjye negereza uwanjye, egereza umunwa nanjye negereza uwanjye. Cyabonetse.
Si bizu basakaga.
Ibibizo byabonetse mwabibonye.
Ngo twarasaze.
Tubas. Okay, turemeye. Okay. Muri biraya ntago ari uburaya.
We are in love.
We decided to come today and show you. Nago muberanye ninde uhenze uwundi. Sheri, hari ikintu utankundaho?
Barambwiye ngo Ddumba niba biriseriye aguca inyuma. Inyuma ndakubwira DM kuko turaturanye. Oh, uyu muntu banze ari umunyamakuru mwiza. Ugakorera yihe channel?
What's Faxman? I wrote a Faxman original.
No. He's called J.
Atari Jay Squeezer.
No, he's just J. Gay.
People were saying we are like Jack and Rose. Do you know who Jack and Rose are?
Of course.
You know them?
But we are not Jack and Rose.
We are better
Sarah
than
and
them.
Ddumba.
Yeah, we Sarah and
We're
Ddumba.
better than them.
People is like ichokoza Sarah muraberanye. Yeah, there is some positive comments, guys. Thank you for the kuma comment yanyu meza ari positive. Scam.
Sarah, niba ugiye gukundana na Ddumba ndaguha namba yanjye, nimutandukana uziyizire. Niharamuka habaye ikintu cyo gutandukana na Ddumba no mu bundi buzima, nzongera nkundane nawe, niyo twapfa tukaba abazimu tuzongera dukundane.
No mu ijuru hari igitanda cyacu gihe kirashashe. Umugore wacu yego n'uyu naberetse ntacyo ngo umwana isura niyo agakajwe nako from top to bottom, height niyo, kibuno nicyo, n'iki cyari kindi mushaka ni prank.
Abantu barimo baraseringa nk'abahinzi barimo kugura amasuka. Guys, what?
Barimo baraseringa nk'abahinzi bakora iki?
Bagura amasuka.
Yeah, let them share. Urabesha pe. Ndahiro Amos, I don't like the way ibintu byacu utabyishimiye ndakuboroka reka nkuboroke.
No. Sometimes dukunda n'abahaters bacu.
Yeah. Faxman arimo aravuga ikiriga comments zimwe comment barimo baranyohereza ibi boro ntazi
ngo rwaje ni murwumve rufite utugambo nk'utw'abagore bo mu mudugudu bari mu kibina.
bari mu kibina. Okay, mubwira kuririmbira ngo mubwira kuririmbira. Sheri uzi kuririmba? Uzi kuririmba?
Baby, you know me.
I know, but like hari indirimbo wandirimbira basi?
Babe, please, okay?
No, but I want you to sing for me. Niyo cyaba ikiririmbo kibi, niyo muri cya gicuku cyawe kibi,
turaza kubikorera hahandi.
tukorera hahandi. Abantu hano bujujemo ngo akuririmbira aragitose.
You know, I don't like that song.
Of course, nyine can I say nyine manimo ndabasaza manimo aragitose sigitose sinibiki kugitosa ni ibintu byacu.
Ese baby, wabwiye abantu ukuntu wankunze, ukuntu wamenye,
ukuntu nakumenye.
Our love story.
Oh, you want me to tell people about how how I fell in love with you?
Yeah.
So guys, ni bandi bashaka kumenya ukuntu how I fell in love with my Sarah. Ni bandi bashaka kumenya, mubyandika muri comment. Who wants to know? Tubwire, amen, nije, yes, me teacher, duteye zombi, nje wapi, yes, twagiye, tell us. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the story. So, a couple of days ago, murabizi ko n'umu influencer, niki So abantu benshi baraza bakanyifashisha bakambaza ama advice bijyanye na content bakora n'iki n'iki. So my baby here afite YouTube channel na mukuru uri ni mukuru wa right, mukuru we yitwa Pasha, ingengo murayizi, yitwa Fresh, baita fresh something. What is a fresh?
Baby, you forgot my YouTube channel.
No, the fresh something. The fresh. It's always here. Let me open. I know it's fresh. Agashiri nirwa mu bintu byinshi byo kuri YouTube ntabwo bashobora kubyibuka byose. Okay. Yeah, after YouTube channel we na mukuru we
Okay.
Urabona ko nicyo kintu mba nimo ndirebera. The Fresh Talk podcast. Abe narabwiye ko iryo zina nzaryibagirwa. Nukuri iryo zina narimbizi ko iryo zina nzaryibagirwa. Hano bari bakoresheje Musinga, ngira ngo urabona ko yicaranye na Musinga. So having said that, of course Pasha ateye neza boro. Yeah, of course ubwo ngubwo so baza kumbaza about nyine ukuntu ibiganiro byabo ko advice zanjye dutangira gutyo turimo turaganira. Who are you to say that I'm blocking your life? But no, not blocking anybody. God help me, God help me, God help me. I'm in a good mood, God. I'm in a good mood. I'm talking with my baby. I don't want to block anybody. I don't want to block anybody. Please, please, please. So, icyabaye turaganira, turavuga nyine mubwira ibyo ntekerezaho ku kuntu baganira n'iki and then dutangira tuvugana gutyo gahoro gahoro and then ariko n'ubundi hari umuntu yari yaramunyeretseho gatoya nkavuga ati iki cyana kirarenze, sibyo? Noneho sibo mbona noneho baje kunyibariza ibyo biboro nkavuga ati ukubise murizanye abarizanye nyine gahoro gahoro. Ubwo nanjye nyine mfite number and then we started talking, nkazajya muhamagara nkamamagara and then it was a match made in heaven. Ladies and gentlemen, the rest was history nuko tubayeho kugeza kuri iyi saa. Abantu murimo muranyandikira, ndabona ko murimo muranyandikira, ndimo ndavugana n'urwana mu mbabarire, ndavugana with my baby, sibyo? Ddumba birarangira atubwiye ko atubwiye ko yatubeshaga. Oya, ntabwo nza kubabwira ko nabeshaga. Shira icyo mbeshe
na kimwe.
Ngo ese ko atavuga, by the way ntabwo avuga cyane ariko mu biganiro barimo aravuga, mu biganiro aravuga wagira ngo na akaradiyo, mu biganiro aravuga, mu biganiro wagira ngo na akaradiyo barimo arasakuza.
Barenze ibyo bintu ninjye bibwira njye, none urimo urabibwira abantu bawe ko mvuga nka radiyo.
As long as ufite isura yo kuri iyo social media n'isura yanjye, I don't care. Asheri, urabizi ko ubu ngubu ngukuye imihanda.
Anyway, baby, have you taken your med?
Med?
Yeah, medicine.
Which medicine? Ntabwo ndwaye sida, sheri.
Wamurezi we. Baby, have you ever?
Have I ever?
No. Have you? Take. How do you guys met? Twabivuze.
We already said that.
Yeah.
Have I? The medicine I'm supposed to be taking yose uno mba nayifashe by tonight. Aya masaha ibyo mba ngomba gufata byose mba nabifashe mba narangije. It's late in the night. Not late in the night, but
icyo abantu barimo kumpamagara murambaza iki?
kabaye egashi umva kuba turi hano icyo bisobanura nanjye barimo barampamagara benshi. Can I read this one for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
No, I'm not gonna read it.
No.
You want me to read it for you?
Yeah.
Urabona ko ari byinshi. Can you see? Kubera iki utambwiye ko n'uyu ari uwanjye, ko ari uwawe, kandi nari nabiketse nkanabikubazaho ukabihakana. Ntabwo nza kumusubiza niyo yinjiye. Ntabwo nayisubiza.
Namusubize.
Musubize se mubwire iki? What do you want me to say? Mubwire iki? Kereka niba ushaka kumubwira ngo sorry ndimo ngo sorry sinabikubwiye.
Mubwire ngo oh, okay, like O double H. I got your message. Just only that.
Ngo O double H.
Like, oh, I got your message. Only that. Witurekere.
Urimo n'ubugome. Ngo oh, I got your message. Oh, I got your message. I did.
Thank you. So, abantu batarimo kwishimira runo rukundo ni ukuri tuzakomeza dukundane. Sana wagiye undeba neza. Amaso areba neza nyareba Ddumba gusa. So sorry.
Nkunda uwo mugabo. Reka nkubwire sibyo? Ni ukuri abakobwa b'ino minsi barananiye. I'm hoping you are not going to hurt me. Like ibi bintu nguma mbikubwira nyine no, like even mu bikari, but like I want to say this in front of everybody nyine mbikubwire. Like I hope you are going to be different. Lex Love arakwica. Lex Love nta kintu kiri hagati na Lex Love. Simbi Noelina, she's just my friend.
Okay.
Someone is asking, do you have... Someone is saying, do you have your little sister? Do you have a little sister? Ngo ufite murumuna wawe.
I'm a last born.
Ni bucura. Ni kabucura. Abiwabo bagakunza kubi.
Okay, ngaruka ngusubize. I think ko ntazigera mpinduka kubera ko ikintu nzi story zawe, your past, iki ndabizi, so ntago naje mu rukundo nawe kugira ngo nyine seme mu bisiba, ahubwo naje kugira ngo mbyomore bikire, nihaza n'inkovu nazo nzazivure, so don't worry.
Thank you. Erega nzi umuntu wabashwe mu rukundo cyane. Ubu ndabizi hari abantu babizi barimo baravuga ngo no, ngo Ddumba, ngo ibyo ngibyo, ngo ibiki, ngo bibwira buri muntu ukuri n'ukuko nguko. Ngo ndakubona nk'ukuntu ngo uzi nkunda ngo bisi ngo Titanic. Umva ndabizi barimo barabwira wowe, ntabwo barimo barabwira njyewe.
Ndakubwiye gute?
Ngo ntabwo uzi Ddumba.
Ndamuzi.
Niba hari umuntu bahebye aba banyarwanda mwarampebye, ako murabesha ndacyahari. Ngo Ddumba umuzi.
Rero bizabacanga.
Ngo Ddumba ntabwo akunda sheri, arashuka. Like, do you know, mumaze kumbrandinga gutyo to the extent ko abantu bibaza ko njyewe ndi umuntu adashobotse kandi ndi umuntu ushobotse. Ngo Ddumba arahehe.
Hari umuntu yandikiye muri DM.
Akubwira iki?
Ese koko muri seriye munsubirize.
We are more than serious. Okay, umva reka musubize. I might offend you, nshaka kukubabaza, but like ngiye kumusubiza uko like genuinely nyine mukuri kwanjye, sibyo? Nubabare nawe usubize ibyawe, ngiye gusubiza ibyanjye. Arabajije ati ese koko muri seriye? Igisubizo cyanjye ni iki? Njyewe ndi seriye. Njyewe am serious. Nawe musubize sheri.
Cause I love, so ikintu namusubiza maybe ikintu yakora ni ukumindinga businesses. Yeah.
Ako se reka manze babwire ko ndabizi ko munkunda, ndababona muri komenti byabarakaje, ni mubishaka. Ese wamushaka nirirwe nasama hano ngo ndimo ndatwika ninsaza nkasaza nabi, mutanyumva ngo usaziye imihanda. Is that what you want from me, guys?